At the sitting of the investigative panel on Tuesday, Abba Kyari, a deputy commissioner of police who had been summoned to appear before the panel to give accounts of alleged disappearance of one Maurice Ashawi, was absent. His counsel, James Idachaba, told the panel that Abba Kyari was on an official assignment, hence his absence at the hearing. The panel members who expressed displeasure told the police council not to take the panel and petitioners for granted.
From the excuse you have given, there's no excuse. Let me explain to you why. You have simply told us that we have tried and the feedback is that they are on national assignment. There is nothing to indicate that on so and so day we will be here. I have to inform my association of what is going on here and maybe we have to take a decision. We cannot be impotent.
One of the petitions mentioned on Tuesday was that of alleged extrajudicial killing of late Ifeoma Abugu. Ifeoma, like most people who have been picked up by men of the SARS police unit, did not live to tell her story. The police alleged Ifeoma died of drug abuse, but Dr. Ahmed Abimuku, a pathologist who conducted an autopsy on the deceased, said she died of anoxia, stating that the toxicology tests for harmful drugs came back negative, putting an end debunking police claims that she died of drug abuse.
The office conducted an expert, Dr. I.B. Achuzi, to come and explain the autopsy report because we are not experts, and put his own cause of death to be asphyxiation.
Dr. Achuzi was not the maker of that report, was he?
No, my lord.
Another petitioner, 20-year-old Chigemezu Ojinaka, narrated how insecure he feels whenever he hears of the police, following his encounter with them, which had deformed his limb with no sensation in his feet and consequently killed his dream of becoming a footballer. The panel urged the council for the police to find the police officers responsible and bring them to book. The panel therefore adjourned all matters to 28 and 29 April 2021 for continuation of trial.